Welcome to a short video about LED retrofit kits and how to install them legally. In this video, I will explain why switching to LED retrofit kits is a smart move for better energy efficiency, improved light quality, and reduced maintenance costs. Let's start with the safety. Follow these essential guidelines for a safe and legal retrofit. First, ensure the LED kit is specified for your luminaires. Second, the LED kit meets the low voltage and EMC directives. Third, manufacturers must provide clear instructions, including mounting, wiring, and electrical connections. This ensures your retrofitted luminaire is safe and compliant. Fourth, the retrofit must be done professionally according to the manufacturer's guide. If you initiate the task, you become the manufacturer responsible for compliance. Fifth, CE marking is required, and Lumega provides complete documentation to ensure safety and compliance with building regulations. Now let's look closer on the solutions there is on the market today. There is several lighting manufacturers on the market. Many suppliers offers the basic LED retrofit kits, which is typically an LED board separated with the driver. Wires is typically loose, and the electrical installation is far from legal after the upgrade. Before you enter a cooperation with a supplier, make sure to run through the description about safety I talked about before. My colleague Rune is also focusing on sales, so no matter how much I only want to make good informative videos for you guys, I have promised him to add a bit about our AI-designed LED inserts. Lumega's AI-designed LED inserts fit perfectly in older luminaires, offering up to 70% energy savings and improved work efficiency. Does that sound too good to be true? The pictures showcase a shopping mall in Denmark where the older T5 fluorescent tubes, see before pictures on the left, were replaced to our high-performance retrofit LED kit, see picture on the right. The lux level before was measured to 111 lux, and our solution provides 855 lux with 100% light output and is now dimmed to only 30%, which makes the lighting installation legal and very energy efficient. We have used many months to design our AI model to bring our service in any sector. In other words, we can upgrade your lighting to state-of-the-art lighting with the latest LED technology and lighting control. By using the old lamp housing, you ensuring compliance and sustainability with a low return on investment. Do you find interest in the field and want to learn more about how we can upgrade your lighting legally and with energy savings up to 70%? Then visit our website to learn more and get in touch.